Hello guys, welcome to my channel. How to fix your DNS server made be available. This is a problem for your Windows. Okay, then step by step follow to solve this problem. Then close to you will first step for your CMD. Open the CMD. Then you will click to search bar. Search the CMD. Then see the command prompt port. Then you will click to the yes administrator. Click to you will type this comments for provided in this video description. Okay, then you will always type it to click to enter to this finish it to you will come to the next step. Then second step for change the DNS server. Click to the search bar, search the control panel, click to open, see the network and sharing center, click to select the Wi-Fi option, you will click to the properties, click to the Internet Protocol version 4, click to Properties. You will first set it for open an IP address automatically. You will send set for user following DNS server address. You will change the DNS server address for this copy to paste to click to OK. Then finish the all methods. Then finally you will restart your computer. Okay. Then anyone doubt to pin the command. Then thank you for watching.